He's right at home in the dozer. He loves to run dozer. Take this spruce too. You know it's a good hardware store when they sell skidders. A 1974 207D, huh? Timberjack. Only driven to church on Sundays, never in the wintertime. Oh, I should. Pretty neat. It's got her looking good. Well, how many trees can it pull? Oh, I see 4 chokers. Main boom cylinder on the Timbco. You can see it's leaking up there. And it's got a little leak down there around that thing. Them bolts are 1 7/8 inch head. Pretty stout. I tried to get them bolts out with a 1-inch gun, wouldn't do it. I tried our torque multiplier, couldn't get them out. So I gave up and said, well, I'll just pull the rod out, seal that, and try to weld the barrel where it's at. And you will see that that comes back to haunt me. Don't believe me that it needs some packing? There's the wiper seal. Pushed right out. I'm going to try and take that pin out next. We'll see if it moves. I'm trying to take that bolt out that holds the pin in, retainer. I just split the socket. Must have hit it on my head. Driving the 2154 over there to pull out that pin. I don't think it really matters. We're hooking up, our spiff's hooking up the chain to that pin right now. Suck the boom back in. Am I too high? How about there? Keep going. Well, let's back up just a little bit. You gonna try that? More down? Did it move? Oh, there it went. I think it's out. Alright, we're gonna use the skidder to alright, okay. Ooh, we're good. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. And when he backs up, it's going to let that chain down, or let the cylinder down. You see the cylinder? It's going down, it's going down. I'm going to have to run around front here and check on it. Oh, that's in the way. Oh, it's getting real close. I'm just gonna set her on the swing motor there. Oh, it's kind of sitting on that fitting. That should be okay. Chain should be loose now. Yep. I'm gonna run right out of there. That's not good. A lot of grease on this thing. I wonder who put that on there. So we're going to try to pull the oil out of this cylinder. Go a little higher. A little higher. Alright. Can you go out more?
That's all it's got.
Okay. Now swing. This isn't working. It's not I'm pulling her out.
That place is at both points, Dave.
Yeah, that's why I just moved. Well, that's what we're trying to do here. Just trying to pull that cylinder out and squirt the oil into that barrel. On paper it looks good. We'll see if it works. Oh, out, 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 out. Wow, I would have thought it would have pulled that out of there. Well, he repositioned, got a little closer so the swing would have more power. You got to come out when you swing. Okay, it's working, it's working. See that? Maybe you can't see. Oh yeah. He should be just about to the end.
You want it to go straight up first?
Yeah, just have him pull straight out. All right, we got this. So hopefully it'll just swing on there. I'm holding on to the tether. Jeff's gonna pull it out. What do you mean, swing or what?
Yeah.
He's gonna have to. He's got to come out more and swing. He's got to squirt that boom out. He doesn't have tension on it yet.
Hey, how we looking?
Looks,
You need to have the boom come out more?
we're okay. Nice. Whoa, we're.
Hey, it's just caught up. You see it in there, Dave? You ready?
Just hold on, hold on. Okay.
Engine out?
Yep. Oh, please let this work. Please let this work. He's gonna have to come out. Come out. We can just about do this by hand now, I think.
Man, we need to really have a short change.
So we got it that far. Now we're gonna use the limber to lift it up so we can take that strap off. Jeff's gonna lift on it, then we can unhook our straps. Well, it's out, boys, it's out. Give you tunnel vision, huh? I don't see any scoring or anything, which is good. Reminds me of Spiff.
Big nut.
Big nut.
Okay, I'm going to take this to the shop. I think everything's picked up.
Well, leaving the hydraulic place bright and early on Monday morning. We'll go up and maybe get this installed today. We saw the rods already packed and ready to go. I need to weld on the bottom of that. I'm going to walk the machine forward so that boom goes back so I can tip this back and try to get underneath the bottom of it to weld it. It's got a leak. Now what I want to do is probably pull the main boom, not the main, the jib in, walk it up as close as I dare. I'm trying to watch a few different things here. Alright, So I'm up on the back of the Timbco. And right, oh, can't even see it. Where that block attaches to the base of the cylinder. Oh, maybe if I reach up in there. Maybe not. Let's do it this way. It is cracked. See? That right there is trying to weld from the front vertically, and you can't even see it from the front. So I was welding vertically on a cylinder, I think it was about 20 below that morning, on a place I couldn't even see. It's hard enough to weld vertical when you can see, yet alone just listening, trying to weld. That's my excuse for why it didn't hold. Well, did I show you what it looks like from the front side? It's on the back side of that. That's what I'm trying to weld. Come in here. Look at that goobered weld.
I got the easy part welded. I tried welding a little bit down there. I can't see. I can't see that. Wish I could when I'm trying to weld.
Oh my. I've bent most of those, well, pretty much all the rods you can see in half, so I could do the back. Somehow that clip got cut short. Not sure what happened there, but anyway, you can see all the welding rods that I had to half waste there. And if you look close up in the left corner, you can see the mirror that I was trying to look into while I was welding. Boy, that's a little difficult to weld vertically in a mirror on an oily, never mind, while laying on your head. Well, I hauled the idler up this morning for that dilemma back there. That one? That one. No, not that, that one. The cylinder is ready to go to be put back in there. This ought to be fun trying to put that back in there. We're just about lined up. We got Spiff back there pulling that way. Jeff's running. Oh, it's in. Nothing a 10-pound persuader couldn't do. Actually, once we got it lined up, it didn't go in that bad at all. You know what I see wrong with this pusher? Why is that thing so rusty? I must not be using enough. I'm gonna start using that more. See those drips? There's enough to ruin a guy's day, maybe his whole week. All that welding for nothing. Can't see what I'm doing. Didn't do a good enough job.
Oh, don't you do it.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Have a great